There's only embers left in what was a fire, and all the loneliness got me feeling tired. This aching in my chest, it's like a live wire, and the only way it's gonna end is when I can't see you